Looking for the ultimate family getaway? Just 90 minutes from New York City, in the heart of the Pocono Mountains, discover Great Wolf Lodge, where the fun never ends. Dive into adventure at the massive indoor water park, a tropical paradise kept at a perfect 84 degrees all year long. Race down thrilling water slides, ride the waves in the giant wave pool, or splash the day away in play areas designed just for kids. But the excitement doesn't stop at the water's edge. Step into a world of nonstop family fun, take on a magical MagiQuest adventure, strike it big at mini bowling, explore the arcade, or enjoy nightly story time that brings the whole family together. When it's time to recharge, retreat to spacious family suites, themed rooms, or the brand new Woodland Villas designed with comfort, style, and plenty of space to relax. Hungry? You'll find dining options for every taste, from hearty family meals to sweet treats, plus kid-friendly, allergy-friendly, and everything in between. And the best part? Every guest enjoys unlimited water park access from the moment they arrive until the last splash of the day. Recognized as one of the top family resorts in the Northeast, Great Wolf Lodge is more than a getaway. It's where memories are made, laughter is shared, and magic comes to life. So why wait? Pack your swimsuits, bring your sense of adventure, and get ready to howl at the Great Wolf Lodge-Poconos, the family vacation you'll never forget. Visit greatwolf.com for more info.